Hey guys, it's Jenna G and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been forever, but I'm here today to show you guys my version of a cheesy potato pie. Now you know we Caribbean people, we love any type of pie, macaroni pie, shepherd's pie, green fig pie, all sorts of pie. Today we're just going to be doing a potato pie. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the potatoes. I've already peeled them. These are the regular potatoes that I'm using. And you want to try to cut your potatoes as equal in size as possible. This is just to make sure that the cook time is the same for all of your pieces. And you don't want them some cooking too quickly and then the others remaining uncooked. So you just want to cut them as equal in size as possible. Now once they're all cut, I'm going to be adding them to some boiling water because I want to boil these or cook these until they're nice and soft. So you add a little pinch of salt to your water as well. Now once your potatoes are properly cooked through, you're just going to remove them and you're just going to mash them up. Next, I'm going to be adding some butter or margarine, either one you prefer. I'm going to be using some evaporated milk in this. So in goes some evaporated milk. And for the cheese that I'm going to be adding, I'm using some cheddar cheese. Now you can use any type of cheese. Mozzarella is actually fantastic in this, but it's all up to you. You can even mix it if you want. I didn't have any mozzarella, so it's all cheddar cheese for me. I'm going to be using some garlic powder in this and some all-purpose seasoning. The all-purpose seasoning has salt, so you want to remember that when you're adding the salt to your potatoes while it's boiling. Don't add too much. So you can add as much cheese as you like to this. Even now, if you think you need more cheese, go right ahead and add more. So I'm just going to mix it up to make sure it's nicely incorporated. Now you can leave chunks in the potato if you want to, or you can make it smooth either way. So once you have everything mixed up, this is what it's going to look like. And I normally find myself just adding more and more cheese sometimes, but this looks perfect. Next, I'm going to be greasing my dish with this chosen avocado oil spray. Fantastic to have, get your hands on it. And all I'm going to be doing is just adding the potato mixture to my baked dish. So once I have all the potato mixture in, I like to flatten it just a little bit. And then what I'm going to be doing is just topping it off with my cheese. Go as heavy or as light as you like. So add as much as you want. Go with the mozzarella or the combination of cheese, either way. So once you have your potato mixture in your dish and it's all topped up with the cheese, we're going to be popping this into the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes until that's nice brown color on top. Once it's finished, this is what it looks like. Look at the color on this, fantastic. So check it just to make sure it does not burn, of course. So make sure to check it in between, halfway through. And of course adjust the cook time or the bake time accordingly. Now you want to let this cool properly before you try to cut into it. Don't rush it like I'm trying to do here. Just let it cool. And once you cut it, it's going to come out really nice and it's going to stay really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed my version of a cheesy potato pie. There's so many different variations to pie, so many different variations to food on the whole. This particular pie, you can make it extra smooth. You can have some potato chunks in it. You know, it's all about just having fun whenever you're in the kitchen. So I hope you all appreciated my version of it, and of course, try it out. If you want to experiment a little bit with it, you can also add some minced beef. Fantastic with it. Kind of like a shepherd's pie in a way. You can also add vegetables to it as well. You know, you'll go crazy with it. Add anything you wanted. But this is a simple cheesy potato pie. And for me, I like to have my full spread. So with this actually, I had some lentils, some stewed beef, some rice, and some salad. Delicious stuff. So comment down below and let me know what you would like to have your potato pie with, how you all make your version of it. You know, share with me in the comments what you guys thought about it. So thanks so much for watching. As always, check me out on Instagram. I'm also trying to keep up with this TikTok videos as well, where they have a lot more compacted versions of these YouTube videos. So you can join me there as well. But either way guys, thanks as always for watching and for all the support as well. So I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks as always.